Anyway, here we are with this set. I think there's supposed to be like 100 cards in here. 100 yellow cards. 100 yellow cards in here. Hopefully I don't break them up. So they're pretty much like the NBA Hoops 9091, probably I think a bit earlier as well. They had the same kind of design. So these ones are real kind of papery. And then we've got the yellow border. So I saw that they were selling individual cards in this set, which I do believe is a complete set in every box. Expansion draft choice. Okay. For greater than an actual entire box. So I don't know how that makes sense, but I guess that's how they roll. John Paxson, Scottie Pippen, nice yellow card. Chris Mullin, Hershey Hawkins. Who is that? That is just classic, isn't it? Reggie Lewis, Glenn Rivers, David Robinson. No, just one card there. Should actually put these face down so I can just stack them as I go. Yeah, so these are definitely a different quality to the other cards. AC Green, 1989-1990 expansion team. Jerome Kersey. Oh, well, he must have changed teams a few times. Byron Scott, Mark Eden. Kevin McHale. I haven't seen a card of his for years. And that's the card we're all looking for. Michael Jordan card. Derek Harbour, Sam Perkins. Manute Bol. Larry with his mo. His little moustache there. Jerry Cummings. So I was thinking about just stripping this pack of the key stars and then just selling the rest loose. But we'll see. Because these are certainly different. There's Dennis Rodman again. I think that's almost the same card as in the normal set. John Stockton again, of course. Isaiah Thomas, Kevin Johnson, Patrick Ewing. And here we go, getting close to the end. So there's the entire set. As again I said previously, they were selling the entire set for cheaper than one card on eBay. However, I did get 5 sets of these through another different option. NBA Hoops Superstars, the official NBA basketball card, 100 NBA trading cards, the entire set in this box. It is $19.90. There you go.